All right, so today's lesson's on absolute value equation. So here are the rules. You're ruining it. Isolate the absolute value. What does that mean? Make sure there's nothing in front or after the absolute value and between the equal sign. If it's already isolated, then you're going to make two cases. What does that mean? Drop the absolute value in one case. The other case, you're going to drop the absolute value and negate what it's equal to. And then you're going to solve both of them. So this one gets us x equals 6. This one gets us x equals 2. We think both of those are our answers. You must check them and watch for extraneous roots. So I'm going to take 6, plug it in. 6 minus 4 is 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. That one checks. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Checks. So I know that 2 and 6 are my answers. Example 2. Back to our steps. We're going to isolate it. So I need to get rid of this first. So absolute value of y minus 4 equals 3y plus 2. After it's isolated, then you make your two cases. Y minus 4 equals 3y plus 2. And y minus 4, now here's where it gets tricky, minus 3y minus 2. If there's two terms, you have to negate them. If there's 20 terms, you have to negate every one of them. Now solve each of them. Y, cube y, bring over to 2, negative 6, divide by 2. So we get y equals negative 3. The other one, let's add the 3y over. 4y add 4 equals 2. So y equals 1/2. So I think my answers right now are negative 3 and 1/2. You must check them in the original. So let's try negative 3. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. Absolute value of that is 7. Times 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9. Is 7 plus 9 equal to 2? No. So then we're going to go back. We're going to reject this answer. It's an extraneous root, which means you get an answer, but it doesn't check, so we can't use it. Let's try 1/2. 1/2 minus 4 is negative 3.5, which is 3.5. Minus 3 times 1/2, it's a negative 1.5. Which is 2 equal to 2. Yes. So 1/2 checks, so that is my only answer. Again, you must check absolute value equations.